Cosmic, and today we're playing some more Subnautica, or Subnautica, whatever you want to call it. I'm sorry, haven't been uploading. I'm a little better now. You still kind of seem to be stuck in my base. I'm gonna have to remove you somehow. Oh yeah, speaking of base, oh my god, my sensitivity is a little... I haven't played in a few days. Base is doing mighty sexy, if you say so myself. This item seems to be a little different. Yes, Nero's here. I don't know what you're doing, but you are doing it. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. The sea's killing me. See what the sea does to you, children. We're gonna have to find some way to get rid of you, but now we need to go look around for something stiff. Fudge. How do we make that? Current generator. Okay. Let me look up really quickly how to make a Subnautica with a wiki page, wiki. Gonna search the wiki for some things to find. Shit. Weapons. I think it's really all I need to look at. Oh my god, Internet Explorer, why are you doing this right now? Okay, hang on. I need to... Cannon. Cannon. Let's see what there is for cannon. Okay, there's nothing there. How to get the plasma cannon in Subnautica. Yeah. I think this is how to get the plasma cannon. Wiki. See if we can find it out. Ah, here, repulsion cannon. Ah, here we go. But how do we get the cannon? Ooh, I don't know how you do it, but you do it. Ooh, I don't. This dreaded stench. Yeah, okay, propulsion cannon. Recipes. What the fuck are those? What? Excuse me? Can you please explain to me what this is? What on earth is this? Okay, I know what this is. Okay, okay, well, it's telling me the stuff I need to make, so... Oh. Okay. Oh dear, what have I done? Uh-oh. I broke it. Shit. Fuck, I broke it. Shit. Fuck. Shit. I don't know what to do. Hang on, let me pause the game before my stuff goes down while I look this up. Okay, so, repulsion cannon, and then we need the first thing, which it says, okay, databank, gallery, player holding, you're not helping me, game. Uses, the main function, propulsion cannon, objects. Eat a release item, energy, recipe, databank, pull the trigger. Okay, no, video maybe? Maybe we can find a video on it, because this is very stressful. Oh, okay. I'm gonna want some sightseeing here. Okay. Shit. Okay, so I need to go to YouTube. YouTube.com. Okay. How to get the... Fuck. Wow, okay. Subnautica propulsion cannon? Wow, it actually already came up. Okay, 1 second.
Welcome back, this is Cereal Snacks, and I
It's
just
not
logged
gonna
into Subnautica, and as you can see, the ship is intact again. This is like the running joke of Subnautica. But, oh yeah, cooked air sack. That is really cool.
This is not helping me, game. I'm asking you how to build it, not that, you son
Welcome
of
back,
a...
this is Cereal Snacks, and I just wanted to do the submarine.
Okay.
Beyond that, there's not much added to the sub. Down here, propulsion cannon.
Wait, what?
Propulsion cannon, and you have to find the fragment in the mushroom forest. But once you do, it will show up in your tools.
Oh, we need to get that. Well, that makes plenty of sense. Okay, well, my friends, we're going to get... You, stalker, guess you're just gonna live with me for a while? Okay, I guess the stalker's just gonna live with me for a while.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
That sounds really weird. That stalker's gonna live with me for a little while there, filler. That just sounds so wrong. Yeah, that stalker's just gonna, be sleeping in my base. You know, the place that I'm supposed to be safe in. You know, that place. Oh god! You fuckers weren't glowing like you usually are. Oh, I don't like you. Those are dicks. I like how these guys are so menacingly they're like devils, but you can just easily... Boop! Oh. Is that a reef back? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know what did these... Oh, is that L fragment? Okay, that is L fragment. Okay. I don't like these fuckers. Where the hell is it? Where the fuck are you? I'm gonna fucking shit in your fucking jewelry when I'm done with you. Okay. Okay, hotkey? Okay, so it's 4. No! 4! Oh, it's a propulsion cannon fragment! Yes! Come here. I don't care if I lose some of my health. I need you in my life. Okay. Wow. We're literally talking about how we need the propulsion cannon this episode. And now we're getting it. Okay, what the hell is down here? Is it safe down here? Ah! Ow! Oh, you're back down there. Okay, I don't need you right now. Oh god, hi there. Doesn't see you there, Linda. That's what I'm gonna start calling you guys, Linda. And in all honesty, maybe I should call the big reefback Sancho like Markiplier does, because that's actually kind of that's a pretty good name. El Sancho por favore. Sounds really racist. Where the hell is this reefback? I can't tell. He's around. Oh, he's right. No, he's right there. I don't know. I'll have to figure out something more me-wise instead of from other YouTubers. Trying to find some shine. Jesus Christ! Motherfucker! That legitimately, like, I shit you not, shit. Oh, this is a field of them. It means obviously I'm close to a propulsion cannon. Well, not a propulsion cannon, but an item shard. Is he coming after me? No. Could I be near a shard? So much harder in the dark. Sorry. Ooh. I don't feel safe, dude. Like, I know that I'm okay, but... I actually already forgot what I was calling you. I'll call you Lizzie. I'll call you Lizzie and I'll call the reef bag Phils. There we go. That works. I don't think Lizzie's been used for anything in a while that I know of, at least. Oh, 2 fragments. This is risky, but I need these. I don't know what they are. Oh, they're propulsion cannon fragments. Ooh, that's actually hype, boys. Fuck you, you scary motherfuckers. Oh, that shit, just no, dude. That is some scary ass fucking laughter you motherfuckers have. They're creepy motherfuckers. I tell you that. Look at that, one of them literally went right where the fuck I was. Okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. These things are crawling around. I don't even know if it's a propulsion cannon fragment. Terraformer. Oh, we need the terraformer. Okay. Don't look at him. Don't look at him, and we are all okay. Okay, we are all good. We got what we need. Get the fuck out of there. Ah, shit. We actually need to start repairing this thing before it breaks down. So, be repaired. I smite this child with repairs. I smite thee with repair. Now be living and not dead. I don't know. Ooh, another dude, this is like fragment heaven. I swear, this is where all fragments live. I'm telling you, dude. What is this? Propulsion cannon. Ooh, I'll take you, you sexy beast. But I won't take you. You guys can stay the fuck away from me. I don't like you guys. You guys are mean. I know what you fuckers do. I've seen YouTubers talk about you. You guys are like sand crabs, dude. Oh. Yeah, these. Oh, is that what they're based off of? Sand crabs? Because they kind of act like them. If you don't know what the hell a sand crab is, then you need to go research some, books and. Or if you've never been to the beach, then you don't know what the hell that is. Then you need life. But sand crabs, they bury into the sand. I used to love catching those things at the summer, as a kid, at the beach. Oh, those are great times. That was back when I was a kid. Being a kid was so much fun. I used to have so much fun with my grandfather going. It was just the best. Life wasn't stressful. Just fuck off, please. Thank you. Don't make me ask politely, or I'll have to get forceful with you if you don't. If I have to ask nicely and you don't listen, then I'm going to punch you with my sea mop. Okay. Sadly, I think I'm out of luck with the. I spoke way too soon. Okay. Sea mop, protect me. Yes! Last propulsion cannon, fucking shard. Yes! Goodbye, fucking stalker. Stalker's getting out of my house. Nope. 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 Yep, I'm out. Good day to you, sir. Actually, no, I can't leave yet because I need this one too. Now, modification. Terraformer. Ooh. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please. What hit me? What's hitting me? I need it! What's hitting me? You guys are such dicks! I hate you guys! You guys are the worst! Oh, dude, I fucking... What the hell are you guys? Yeah, the bigger ones are modification ones. Okay, I'm out of here. Fuck you guys. You guys are dumbass dicks.
Blood nutrient levels decreased.
Aw, fuck you.
Intake recommended.
I'll get food when I need to, you fucker. I'll get food when I need. But okay, we got two things I was actually going after this episode. Is the terraformer and the propulsion cannon. We were both going for both of that, and it's going to take a lot of material to get. Oh, hello. Hello, it's me. Also, thanks to a YouTuber named Trollses, I have been inspired to do the sex demon voice thingy. But I want to try doing it. I'd like a song of it and be funny, because I love being funny. Wait, that's really all how it takes for the terraformer? Wow. So, we could have these two things right now. We have, I think, the material down on the base, do we not? Let me go down here and look. I'll have to go down to the second floor. I have 2 floors. That's the second floor. Actually, I have a lot of floors, actually. My stuff, you're going bye-bye soon. Well, mainly my stuff is in here. So we need silicone rubber, so we'll take this. What else do we need? We're probably going to need titanium. It said we were going to need an advanced wiring kit for one of these things, at least. Oh no, we don't need glass. We need fucking whatchamacallit, silicone rubber. Oh god, thank god I can't break these things. No, we need the rubber. Okay, silicone rubber. Okay, let's put some of this stuff away at least. Like the glass, because we don't need the glass. Okay, what do we need now? So we need a battery, so we need batteries. We don't have copper, sadly. Okay, so we need advanced wiring kits, which is golden. No, we need wiring kit. Was it advanced? Yeah, we need 2 advanced wiring kits. And that's copper chip. Like a fucking copper chip. Silver table core. Man, this is difficult. Oh my lord. Okay, we need silver. I think we have silver, don't we? Salt. Thank God for the gold and the mushrooms, the shroomies. It's lithium. Do we have? I swear, dude. Silver. Okay, I knew we had silver. It's only a piece of it though, so I think that's only enough for. Fuck, what was it? We need copper for the battery. Shit. We need table coral. Do we have table coral? Table coral? We do. Look at that, dude. Look how fucking ready we were for this. We were so ready. We were just preparing it, and we didn't even know it. We're so good. We're so fucking good at this game. Okay. I think I'm just gonna say fuck it and build the advanced wiring kit for the propulsion cannon to get this fucker, this stupid stalker. He is a literal stalker. He's living in my base. This fucker out of here. I know there is a giant cave system still around here. Forget exactly where it is, but I want it. Also, I'm gonna need some of those purpley thingies later on down the road, because why the hell not? Oh, you guys live down there. Ew, I don't like you guys. So where is this giant? I know I have a giant, like, gaping mountain hole. That's what she said. Where is it at? Oh, there's, wow, I didn't think there was, oh, there's copper fucking right there, dude. Holy shit, I didn't think there was any more ores around here to be existing. Okay, fuck you. I think we only need 1 copper.
Emergency. Starvation imminent.
Oh shit, I forgot about my starvation. Oh, fuck. Shit. Shit. Oh, what the fuck, dude? I didn't know. I'm sorry. Oh, fuck me. Oh, God. I need to go kill an animal. I've got a heated blade so I can kill fuckers and then just immediately eat them, which is really helpful, thank God. Ooh, hello there. Hello, it's me. I need you. Oh, where are you? Where's your dead body? What the fuck? Where's your dead body? Oh, there he is. Oh, thank God. Someone's on me. Okay, that's sustaining me. For now. We need more food though, so let's keep... Oh, there's some all right here. Titanium? I'll take it. It's mad, but I'll take it. Ooh, oh, inventory's full. Yeah, I still got all a bunch of this stuff, so... Also, I have more air. If you didn't notice. I made some reinforcement air tanks, and then... to get extra air, because, you know... Who needs it, right? So why not just live off of it? Well, we do need it, actually. I'm still, like, well, like, mindset on finding this cave. Oh my lord, titanium. It doesn't hurt to take quartz, right? Is it around here? I think it is. I think it is. Hello? Beings from another side. No, it's not here, but I know it's gotta be around here. Quartz, I know, buddy. You're just screaming, take me, but I can't, dude. I know.
Mild dehydration detected.
Aw, fuck. Oh, ooh. What? Why can't I take? Oh, you fucker. Inventory full. What? No, come here, Creeper. No. Please, air sac. Sorry, I didn't mean to call you that. I meant to say the other thing. Oh, shit.
Emergency. 10 seconds.
Oh, my
of
lord.
oxygen
Everything!
remaining.
Jesus, Karen, shut up! This is why your family never loved you, Karens, because you're so annoying! Oh, that's bad! Oh, no! What's this? Oh, sea moss fragment. I don't need you. Oh, God, we need to get home. Oh, God, if I die right now, we may actually die. We may actually legit die. With all of this ore that we just picked up. We may legit die. Dude, can we eat this thing and get water? No! Minus H2O? Okay. We're not dead yet. We're not dying. Oh, now we're dying. I have a feeling we could make it into the base and store everything we have. Yeah, we will. You know why we can? Because we're ballers. Boom. Done. We're so baller. Boom. Done. We're fine. When are you ever going to leave my life? Oh yeah, soon. Okay then, that was overdramatic. Really overdramatic if you ask me. Okay, let's work. We need a battery. And if I'm correct, we now can build the propulsion cannon. Yes, we're going to do it. Nice. So now how the fuck do I equip this thing again? I totally forgot. Shit. Okay. Hey! Now, how do I use you? How do I use you? Wrapped gravity and pulls it. What? So you're still stuck in my base, huh? Is this serious? Are you for real right now? Am I literally like stuck with this guy forever and ever and ever in my fucking life? Are you kidding me? I'm going to kill myself. Oh wait, I already did that, so I can't. Fuck. Shit. Can we just like grab him from out here or something? if we can pick up this guy. No. Nah.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
So we're basically... Oh, dude! That did so much damage! That coral, though! Dude, wow! Are you, like, legitimately kidding me right now? I'm like, I guess we could always cut the bottom base off. I guess we could just do that in all honesty. In all honesty, I think that's what we're gonna do. In all honest. I see this guy. Like, in all honesty, this is where I see this guy, how he's leaving my life. Completely. This is like the only way I see this fucker leaving. Is through this, basically. So, let's grab everything we need. If he's not in my base, at least he's off of my base, you know? At least. You know, we're gonna have a giant flamethrower, aren't we? Okay, well, we got that much, so... Let's make another hatch, because we're gonna just move up here, like I said. Can we, like, remove this one right here? Oh, shit, we can't. Fuck. I don't know. Shit. Damn it. Fuck. Okay, let's put a hatch up here really quickly. Remove you. Toss some of this out. Get rid of you. Place you back. Congratulations, mate, you're broken. And grab the titanium. Okay. Oh, dude, fuck my life. Where is this little fucking box thingy we have? Where the hell are you, son of a bitch? What? Okay. I literally just almost lost my shit right there. Where is this little boxy thingy? Okay, it's right here. Alright, here you are, you little shit. Can we just put some of this titanium away while we're working? Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Yeah, let's get in really quickly. Need the ladder returned. Aw, dude, this is gonna be so much inventory space we're missing. For fucking real right now. Okay, let's head up here really quickly. Besides, we need to redo this base anyways. It's gonna be a long episode. Literally just... Oh, fuck, there's like everything in my inventory. Huh? Shit. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's head down. Down the ladder. Okay. We're gonna need to get rid of you for a minute. And then you don't have anything in you, so... Whoa, that light, though. You can go... You can go... You can go... For some reason, you fell to the floor. You can go... You can go... You can go... Jesus Christ, dude, we're already on an inventory already. Look how much shit we've literally just wasted on this crap. You can go, and now, for the piece of resistance, you can start deforming. Oh my lord, okay. New pile thingy must be made. Okay, we're gonna make another down pile. Okay, this is our... No, that's a terrible spot. There, here's our new dump spot when we need to dump stuff for now. Make the hole a little bit deeper. Okay, here's our new hole dump. So literally just head into the hole. And dump all of your shit in. And bye bye Reaper. Besides, our base looks way cooler like this anyways. Yeah, bro, totally. Yeah, babes, I'm totally humans. You wanna go skateboards? Yeah, babes, you wanna go skateboards? Okay, so in all honesty, now we have to figure something out. We're gonna have to do something with your base. It's platforms. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. See, Moth, can you please move out of the fucking way before I kill you? Over and over again. Yeah. Okay, whoa, whoa. Whoa, what the hell are you doing? Oh, right there. Right there. Right there works for me. That looks really cool. Let's pick up some of this titanium we're missing. So we're gonna need a little bit more of it. This is actually pretty cool. We're building a construction site around my base, basically. Do we not have enough titanium? Yeah, we don't have enough titanium. Holy shit. We ran out of titanium. Oh, what the fuck? Can I get under you? What the hell? What the hell? I'll be needing all of you again. Boom! Shaka-laka laka. Look at that! That's some sexy finery right there. It's a little overpriced, I guess, if you want to call it that. We're gonna make a glass corridor really quickly. Can we catch you, please? Thank you. And then, oh shit, where's our lithium glass? Oh, I think we put that all in the house, didn't we? I guess we did. Alright, we need to go inside really quickly while we're getting comfortable in our new home. In all honesty, I think I'm gonna move this to another spot right here. I think I'm gonna move this here for now, so I can deconstruct the window, and then come out here. And then make this look a little nicer at least. So there we go. So now with the ladders, for fuck's sake, you need to get fixed. Like, come here. There are other ways to get up in my fucking base. And this ain't one of them. Oh shit, is this the last floor? How many floors were there again? I completely forgot how many floors there were. There's only 3 floors. Okay, so it's just me derping out like an idiot. Okay, where's my glass? Now we need windows. I miss having windows in my base. It's nice. Okay, that kind of looks awkward. Okay, so we need the lithium. The whatchamacallit glass. Not the fuck. Yeah, here it is. This stuff. We need this stuff. There we go. And a boom! Look at that! Beautiful view! Oh, it's just so awesome. I'm loving the changes. And literally, we can just now go up here. Boom, boom. Now we have all of our floors. Let's put some glass here, like this, and then we need one there. We don't have enough glass. Shit. Shit. Glass, hello. I know you're in here. I know. Hello, it's me. this. Put one in the back. That looks pretty cool, if you ask me. And then we're gonna put one here, which we're gonna run out of glass again. For fuck's sakes! How much glass are we gonna be missing here, boys? Oh, that's probably why we're out of glass completely. Okay, sidetracking. We need the D thingy thing. The terraformer. So we need advanced wiring and a battery, which I think we have copper. We have copper. Yes, okay, got copper. We have some titanium, so we need that. I think we're gonna take that. Don't need the wire kit. We need some quartz. We need some table coral. And I think we need some gold. Let's take some of this gold. Okay, so shit. Okay, so we need. Oh, we're literally done right there. Okay, so that's done. Now we need the battery, so that's why we need the silicone. Oh no, we need the mushrooms. We don't even need the rest of this shit. Oh, fuck me in the ass. Battery. And there we go, terraformer boys. There we go. We got the terraformer up in here. Let's put that in my number 5 slot. Here we go. Material. I don't understand that. I don't like that it just makes the same material. It's a little dumb. But hey, why am I complaining? It's a fucking cool thing. Now, as I was saying before, we need a literal hole to put shit in. That's not going to be ridiculous, a dump hole. But we will dig some earth up from down here. Oh, we need to worry about our food. Okay, we have 85 material. That should be enough to close this off. We're going to close this off. There we go. There we go. This is going to be our hole where we put everything we don't want in. We clear? We clear hole. Are we clear? Okay, we're clear. Good. Now I know there's something here. What is here? Oh! It's like another part of the cave. I like this. I'm gonna patch this part of this up a little bit. Make a nice little entrance. I might put the sea moth in here. This may be my sea moth, dock, bay, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'll have to see. I don't know. It's spacious. You know what I mean? It's got some space. Cover this hole up. There we go. We're gonna make this the sea moth home. Home of all sea moths. There we go. Patch that little hole up right there. And there we go. It's kind of like our little bat cave. The sea cave. That's a really corny name, but yeah. Where's the sea moth? We need room to get it in. Where are you, sea moth? Ah, hello. Here's the moth.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Get inside your new home. shit, we're gonna have to smooth down our bumps and edges. So let's probably do that. There we go. Sweet. All right, that's done. Done diddly done. Okay, we need to eat. Oh shit, I forgot about that.
Emergency. Starvation.
I know. I'm getting it. Fucking hell. Ooh, no, I have the terraformer now. I don't need that.
Warning. 30 seconds of oxygen
Jeez,
remaining.
you just complain about everything, woman. Oh god, we're deep. I guess that's probably why she was complaining about the oxygen. Oh god, it looks terrifying. Oh, we're gonna run out of battery. No. Dang it, dude. We're gonna run out of battery. For our sea glide. We're gonna run out of battery for our sea glide. You hear? Okay, can I eat you? Thank you. Thank you. Can I eat you now?
Vital signs stabilizing.
Love this blade. This blade is hype, boys. Did you get me, you little shit? Come back here. Come back here, you little shit. There we go. He like, oh, they're flopping down the fucking road. Okay, whoa, those actually give me H2O too, so I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you more often. Okay, I'm gonna get home really quickly with the 2% fucking battery left I have. So, yeah. No, fuck off. Lovely. It's alright, we're home. We're away from the danger. I'm gonna terraform this really quickly. There we go. Alright, let's head inside.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
We need a battery, so fuck. Resources. We need copper, which probably have none of now because I used it all up. Yeah, we used all of the copper up. Shit. Alright, Seamoth. Time for you to come out of the cave. Oh, that's awesome, dude. I like that. Come on, Seamoth. We need ores. We need ores. That's as close as you get, you little bastard. Oh, what the fuck are you? The hell are you? Are you just a cave system? Oh, hi there. Did we kill it? Ooh, crash powder. I think we actually, that thing actually kind of pissed, made me piss. I don't like them. Ooh, copper. Heat blade. Oh no! Oh! 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 Seamoth! Our heat blade is broken. Can't you believe it? Whee! Oh god! Okay. Oh boy. Alright, Seamoth, you did well. Let's not break you getting into the cave. Okay, there you go. You survive in your cave. Dude, this is actually fun. I'm liking this a lot. Okay, we have ashes, mushrooms, don't we? Please tell me you have some mushrooms. I don't want to. Fuck, we need to go to get more. Yeah, I don't like it. Oh wait, didn't I put stuff in here? I could have sworn I put some stuff in here. I put titanium. Ooh! Crash powder too. Ooh, more silver. Oh my god, there's stuff in here. Oh my god, I like this. There's stuff in here. More. I need to make a new blade. Oh, that's what we didn't put down. Whatchamacallit? Our crafting station thingy. Wiring kit. Shit! We have one, right? We still have that, right? Copper wiring kit. Yeah, wiring kit. Okay, what do we need now? Ah, computer chip! Ah, fuck! Gonna have to do all that work. Oh, that was a bad thing. We need another fucking computer chip. You son of a bitch. No, I need you. No, stop it, game. Please. Thank you. Alright, let's make a fucking battery. This game wants to be a cunt to me. Okay. Now we need another blade, sadly. So, oh, I've actually never made flares. Okay, so I need silicone. I think I can make silicone easily. Yeah, that's easy. How does it take silicone rubber? Well, I can understand the titanium because, you know, it's a fucking blade, but why the silicone? Is it the rubbery stuff? I'm gonna try making some of these flares. I don't know what you guys do. Holy shit, you're fucking... Like, this is like irate. Ah, this is actually eye rape. Go away from me. That's scary as hell, but it's actually like eye rape because it's really, really dark. It's kind of nighttime for me. Ah, my eyes actually legit hurt now. Okay, never do that again. Bad idea. Oh, fuck. Okay. We need a. Fuck. Oh. A good thing we can at least make the computer chip for the station. Okay. Jesus, look at that thing glowing red. Do you guys ever go away? Where's your first one? Where's your brother? Jesus Christ, how much fucking longer do these things last? Didn't we just pick up that flare? Where is this fucking flare?
Caution. Dehydration detected.
That's scary as shit. Where did I chuck this thing? It's gonna drive me crazy because it's not going away. Thank you. Makes some use. Go in there and to the back cave. Jesus Christ. So these things actually like stay lit up for quite a while, if you ask me. Lol. Oh my god. Fuck me. This is terrible. Why does this always happen to me? Alright, I don't know. Why does this happen to me? Woe is me, woe is me. Woe is me. Man, these things are still going off. Wow. just for a little bit of crap? Just for some crash powder, dude? Things are pretty cool. Oh my god, imagine putting these in one of those biomes, dude. Okay, do we have any bleach? Can we make some bleach? Is bleach a makeable thing right now? Oh my lord. Shit, we need salt and common coral. We have that. Fucking yes, we do. I was just about to say, if we don't, I'm going to shit a fucking brick. Because I know I've made some bleach before. And I know I pick up salt most of the time when I see it now. And boom, baby. Alright. I think this is where I'm going to end the episode. Or, in honesty, this isn't even an episode anymore. If you fucking really want to ask. Work a live stream. A nice big long stream of stuff. I'm gonna end it probably now, but in the meantime, are you dead? You're cooked. Ooh, gimme, gimme, gimme. I'll take you in my belly belly. I want some of these guys in my tank. I want some fishy fishies in my tank. I don't want all the same fish, you know. Could you randomize it up a little more? No, yes. Ooh, more salt. I need the salt. What do you mean? Give me salt. Titanium, get out of my face. Oh, well, you know what? It's fish tank. It's putting them in the fish tank. You know what? You know what? Deal with that. I'll fucking deal with that. There you go. New fishies. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Nothing seems to be happening. No water leakage. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye!